So today we're working out in the field, basically trying to get real-world experience for these students. We do a lot of work at the school in a shop setting, but to get out here and actually see some of the hurdles that you're going to face on a job site, an actual job site, I feel that's really important for these students.
So we have two sections of students out here today. We have our grade 11 students from the plumbing division and then the carpentry division of our academy. What they're able to do is come on site, and when they come back to a camp like this, or when they go back and speak to their friends and family, they're able to say, you know, I have my hands on that. I completed that project.
One of the main takeaways from this is learning to give back to the community and how beneficial it is to have community partners.
And they feel good because the amount of money that they're saving for a nonprofit facility like this, or a not-for-profit camp like this, is pretty incredible.
Today at Gesstwood, we're fixing a few of the roof rafters here, adding in some steps on the gazebo, fixing up some broken down trees, and fixing up some of the cabins.
Coming to Gesstwood here, it's a good experience for us because I'm seeing things I haven't seen before. Like earlier we were crawling down in the crawl space and we were fixing a leak. We were soldering some copper. We were trying to fix a bathtub drain. There's a leak in there too.
The relationships that they'll build with their peers and the relationships that they'll build with the camp, those are relationships that are going to be invaluable as they continue throughout their careers. They're going to be able to speak to their peers about those relationships that they've built, and then they'll be able to go back to their co-op placement supervisors and say, hey, do you remember that one time that we worked on this one specific task in industry? I actually got to apply that myself, and I did an awesome job at it because of what you taught me.
What we're doing is we're teaching these students real-world qualifications. We're getting them ready for jobs that are available right now. There's such a need for qualified people in the construction industry, and these students are going to have a step ahead of anyone coming out of high school with a resume. They're going to be able to say, I've worked 900 hours on the job training. I've gotten trained by a red steel carpenter for the last 2 years at school.
I mean, I would honestly say you should join the academy. It's a pretty good experience. I would definitely recommend this academy to other students. I really enjoy the co-op part of it.
I just think this program is really good and it's helping a lot of kids, and honestly I'm happy with everything, and I'm really happy I got to come on this field trip and come here and help out.